Hi everybody, this is just a quick tutorial on how to use Google Earth and how to build a tour with whatever it is that you're reading, and this time it is Joy Luck Club. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go right to Google, and then we're going to type in Google Earth. And once we type in Google Earth, we'll hit that first hit, which is Explore Google Earth. And what we're doing is building a tour based on the Joy Luck Club. Now you have an outline here and it lays everything out, but I thought it would be nice to have a video. But these are all the places that we're going to actually tour: Oakland, California, Shanghai, Hong Kong, Guangzhou, Chinatown, and Angel Island. Now the first place we're going to tour is Oakland, California, and that's because that's where Amy Tan is actually from. And then the next place that we'll tour is Shanghai or Guangzhou. We'll go back to that list. So the first thing you want to do is hit Projects and then click New Project and Create Project in Google Drive. So you want to give your project a title. So you can call it the Joy Luck Club. And then what you want to do is put your name. And then you're going to write a 5-sentence summary on the Joy Luck Club. That's what your title page always has. Now you and your classmate, whoever you're partnered up with, you're going to share it with them. And once you share it with them, you'll type in their email, and you want to make sure that you give them editing rights and send it to them so you can both work on this together. All right. Now the way this works is your friend can take one location, you can take another location, and then if you refresh it, it will join it together. It's not like live like docs, but it's nice so you can work together. So now you have your title page completed and your 5 sentences about Joy Luck Club. So then you'll go to New Feature, search to add a place. Now the first place we're going to add is Oakland, California, because that's where Amy Tan is from. So we'll hit Oakland, California, and then we'll travel on over to Oakland, California. And once we get to Oakland, California, right, you can take your Google Peg Person, you're going to drop your Peg Person and check out the area of where Amy Tan was from. And then once you check out that area, you'll hit Add to Project. And then you'll hit Replace here. And then you'll add photos to represent Amy Tan. So you'll go Google Image Search, Amy Tan. And then you can add your photos of Amy Tan. You want to select 5 photos. And then you also want to find a video on Amy Tan. So you hit plus, and then you go to YouTube and you can type in Amy Tan, and then you can insert that as well. So you want to have 5 photos, 1 video, and then you'll write a 5-sentence summary on Amy Tan, and then you can change your place mark to whatever you want. You can even make it a custom if you download an image. You can change the color, and then you can change the size of your bookmark. So for every location, you want to have 5 photos, 1 video, and then a 5-sentence summary of whatever it is you're writing about. So make sure you use your Peg Person to drop in, because that's the funnest part, checking out the areas of Google Earth. So you want to make sure you do that. Oakland is a big city in California, though. So check out Oakland, California. There's some parts that are not too safe. All right. And then what you'll do is you're going to you can preview it, so you can actually preview what you did, your photos, you can watch your video, and then you'll go back and you'll add your next location. If you're like, well, what's my next location? You go back to your tour, and then we're going to go to Shanghai. So we'll go New Feature, search to add place, and then we'll type in Shanghai. And what we're going to do is go over to Shanghai. This is a really cool city, so you want to make sure that you check it out. And then once you put in Shanghai, make sure you check it out virtually, though. It's pretty cool. So you'll drop your Google Peg Person into Shanghai, whatever is blue you can see. And then you'll hit Add to Project, Replace. Now your pictures are going to relate to Shanghai now. So you'll go to Google Image Search, type in Shanghai. Really cool city. So you want 5 photos, and then you want 1 video. Now your video can relate to the culture of Shanghai. So you can just type in culture of Shanghai. And then the last part that will relate to Joy Luck Club, right? You can put in your video, Life in China, hit select. Your sentences here have to relate to the Joy Luck Club. So you can write about how Shanghai relates to the Joy Luck Club. You can Google that. And then you can change your image again, your place mark. You can change the color of your place mark, and then you can change the size of your place mark right here. So then that's your next location. So you want to make sure you add all these locations: Hong Kong, Guangzhou, Chinatown, and Angel Island. And then type on, if you're going to write about how it relates to the Joy Luck Club. Then once you're done with that, you're going to share this and put it in Google Classroom, get the link. You want to make sure the link is, you want to change the link to anyone with the link so it's public, and then copy the link and put it in Classroom. And that's about it. Just a real quick tip: that first page, you don't add any pictures. You just write a description of the Joy Luck Club. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.